Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Create an account on Pleper and complete the initial setup. Link your business website and enter your primary location details accurately. Connect your Google My Business profile using OAuth within 2 minutes so data syncs automatically. Run a site scan to identify local SEO issues and citation gaps across listings and pages. Review the priority list of fixes that Pleper generates and note the top 5 items for immediate action. Schedule the first automated scan for 7 days after fixes are applied. Use Pleper to claim and correct inconsistent citations across directories quickly and efficiently. Export the broken citations list and prioritize corrections by traffic and authority metrics. Optimize title tags and meta descriptions with local keywords like dentist near or coffee shop downtown to improve relevance. Add schema markup for NAP, hours, and services to improve local relevance and click-through rates. Track changes inside Pleper and mark each updated citation as verified after you set up keyword rank tracking for up to 50 keywords per location and choose local or national SERP targets. Schedule daily or weekly checks and set alerts for drops greater than 5%. Monitor review inflow and respond using Pleper's central inbox daily to maintain reputation and local trust. Use the competitor benchmarking tool to compare citations and visibility against 3 main rivals. Export audit reports as CSV or PDF and share with clients weekly to show progress. Automate recurring audits to keep listings accurate and rankings improving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.